Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a tutorial on how to apply false lashes. There's millions of them on YouTube, but I thought I'll do one for you guys. So when you guys are watching this tutorial, you guys would have a lash tutorial that goes with it, and I've also done an eyebrow tutorial as well. Today I'm using the Queen Bee lashes by Koko Lashes, and this is a fresh pair. Before you put on your lashes, you have to make sure that you've lined the lash line on top. And if you have a black band on your lashes, which I do, you need to line the lid as well. You don't need to do a wing liner. Just lightly line your lid so the band blends in with it. If you don't tight line the inside as well, you can see a bit of skin coming through, and you can tell that you've got false lashes. Obviously everybody would know you've got false lashes, of nobody's eyelashes are that dramatic, but you still wanted to make you want to make it look as natural as possible. I want to swipe off as much liquid liner off as possible, and you make it sit just for your lashes. Just sit it here and zoom you guys in. So just make it sit right here and take it along. You want to start off at the middle here, so that's where most of the liner would deposit, because if you take it all the way to the end, it might just get messy from the beginning. Line your eyes like so. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a light layer of mascara, just so your normal lashes blend in with the false lashes. Gonna do the mascara. And for mascara I'm using my favourite, which is They're Real by Benefit. Koko lashes. The first thing you do with your lashes, I want to let you know how to take these lashes off, because a lot of people just pull it off, and you don't do that because that's just going to damage the strip. You want to press down like so until it comes off the little curvy plastic. So you want to keep pressing down until it's loose. So that way you keep that curve. Whereas if you pull it, it's just going to damage the shape of the lash. You want to measure each lash with each eye. You give it a little swirl, make it a bit more curvy. So you want to make it sit right on top of your lashes. And you want to see how much of it comes out at the end. So that's quite a bit that has come out at the end. So this is how much I need to cut off. And check again that it fits. If you need to cut a bit. Seems fine to me. You do the same of the other eye as well, because your eyes aren't the same shape, so you can't use this as a guide to measure the other one. Well, I can't anyway. Now that I've measured my lash, I get duo lash glue. This glue is really strong. And I'm going to get my little candle holder where I put the foundation on. I'm just going to squirt a little bit onto here. And I'm going to take the back of my brush to apply the lash glue onto the lashes. So I'm going to pick it up with the back of the brush, and I'm going to run that along, if you guys can see it. So I run that along the lash band, but I make sure that I put extra glue at the end of each side of the band, and I wipe the rest of that off. What you're going to do is leave this to dry. I'm going to go and cut my other lash as well. I'm going to leave this to dry and until it becomes really tacky. The longer you leave it to dry, the more tacky it becomes, but you don't want to leave it too dry because then the tackiness goes. Hi guys, so my camera switched off while I was filming some of this video and I didn't even realize. What I did was apply the false lashes with the tweezers coming from the top and making it sit onto my lashes, and I held the mirror below like you will see in the next clips, so you look down and you see where you're sitting the eyelashes more clearly. If you guys would like me to do another video again, I would be more than happy to do so. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So if you don't let it get tacky, it's going to be really difficult to put the lashes on. Do you see how easily I've just applied that? If you find it too slippery, it's because if you don't let it dry and it's too slippery, it will mess up the rest of your makeup. So you want to make sure that it becomes nice and tacky. And that, guys, is how you apply your lashes. You can always go in with a bit more liner just to hide the band a bit more, but I'm very happy with what I've got right now. And as you can see, it's blended in with the rest of the eyes. There's no flesh peeking through, and it looks very natural.